Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Uni JetStream Alpha Grip Alpha Gel Grip Pen. And this is a pen, obviously, from Japan, if you can't tell from the packaging. And at the bottom, it does say Made in Japan. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Yeah. So let's see. First of all, it's kind of a neat looking pen. It's a, see on the side, JetStream Uni. And I unsnap it. Oh, okay. I do unsnap it. I don't even have to mangle anything, I don't think. Unless it's taped. It's taped. Okay. Let's see if I can get in this without destroying the packaging for once. Maybe? Okay. There we go. Alright. So, it's not a bad looking pen. It feels pretty solid. Oh, that's kind of neat. The bottom part's super squishy. Down here, you can see it's all squishy at the bottom. So, I guess that would make it more comfortable to write with, theoretically. Ooh. And the clicky top is pretty responsive. Alright, so this is the Uni JetStream Alpha Gel Grip Pen. It's definitely, I like the grip end on it. That's pretty comfortable. It's kind of a nifty looking pen though too. It seems, what is this thing made of anyway? Alright, here's the big question. How do I get into it? Down here? Let's see. Alright. So, unscrew this and take this out. Okay. I am reasonably sure, off the top of my head, I do not have a refill that will fit this, so we can test out another refill. Not bad though. It writes pretty comfortably. And a lot of times I am not a fan of the weird end things like this. But this one's actually pretty comfortable to write with. So, let's see. This is a test. It doesn't write too bad. If you're interested in this particular pen, I'll include a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. It's not super expensive. I want to say it's close to $10. Maybe? Seems like it was close to $10. It's in that range. It's not a super expensive pen no matter what. Anyway, it's kind of a cool pen. If anyone knows in the comments, if anyone knows what size refill this thing takes, let me know in the comments. Is it a common refill or is it like a Uni proprietary refill? Let me know. The gel grip is kind of cool. I don't know. It's definitely, y'all can see it squishing. It's definitely squishy. And maybe that actually would help. Like if you have tons and tons of writing to do, I mean, it might make it much more comfortable. Well, anyway, that's kind of neat. I was expecting this to be sort of a weird pen, but I think I kind of like it. If any of y'all have this pen and like it or don't like it or have comments one way or the other, let me know down in the comments. And if there's anything you think I should take a look at it, if there's anything you think I should take a look at, just let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.